So welcome to Wall Street Syndicate, where we don't chase stocks, we find them. Every day, we try to uncover high conviction buying opportunities, breakout setups, and hidden gems before the crowd even catches on. If you're ready to stay one step ahead of the market, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And let's talk about what I got for you all today, because this stock seemingly wants to continue to go higher. You guys can already tell from the blurred screen that the market has been making higher lows. It's one of the first things I always try to do when I pick stocks. And so I try to find the stocks that are making higher lows, because it gives everyone an idea of who's moving the price. And in this instance, it's the buyers. So are you guys ready to see the name of this company, this stock that is trending higher, that wants to break out? In 3, 2, 1. There it is right there. Samsara. Yes, Samsara is the company that currently looks like it wants to continue to go up higher in price. Let me show you the reason why. Real quick, like I've already told you on the daily time frame, this stock, the ticker symbol is IOT, has been making numerous higher lows in this space. Look at this. Look at how many times this stock on the daily chart has been making higher lows. That has now been checked off. That's one of the first things we need to identify in the space, is when a market is being bought on the dips. Okay, so that's a dip there. Okay, we're going to identify these dips into the stock, so we can know in the event price does go lower, we at least have a spot to where historically we can say, well, the market participants became buyers at these prices. Okay, here's one right here on the daily. And then just like we went ahead and did this for the buyers, we need to go ahead and do the same for the sellers. Now right here is a gap. Okay, so we also like to track gaps into the market, because price likes to come and fill gaps, because those are seen as inefficiencies, meaning that the market didn't conduct good business within those prices. So this is a sell pocket right there that I'm creating for Samsara. And then if the market really becomes massively bullish, there's definitely a gap right here that we need to talk about. The biggest gap is all the way up here though, but we're not going to try to mark that right now. So let me change this to a gap. Okay, so now here we are. We got our targets laid. We got our teammates down here at the bottom of the chart in the event price does go down. But right now, we're going to put on this prediction, looking for Samsara to go higher. We're going to place our stop loss. At least want to get the market, at least our teammates up here around 36 to 32 bucks, an opportunity to hold price in the event it does go lower. If they don't hold these two BIPOCs, then yeah, this prediction needs to go. But we're going to target this gap first, 41.56 or like 1.76 on the low of that gap, to like 7.25 at 43.80. Okay, that's our first target. Next target is going to be 45 bucks. That's 10.43, all the way up here at $47.44, 16.16%. And then our last target is going to be up here at 50 bucks. That's 22.67, all the way up to $52, 27.25% move ultimately. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take. All right, so we're going to have to extend out this prediction, allow the market opportunity to run to these different locations and see how price reacts. Because if we get weakness on one of these three areas, then we definitely may have to just jump ship, take the bag, and move on to another stock that's giving us the same price action. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.